Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jeline. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I just got this big box in from Sephora. So yes, I did a Sephora haul. I am not sure, I don't remember what all's in here, so I'm just gonna open it up. I haven't gotten into it yet, so I'm just gonna open it up together here and we'll see what we got. So let's get to it. Okay friends, first of all I want to thank you for your support. I appreciate that, and if you want to support my channel you can do so by hitting the subscribe, the like button, leaving me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much, so thank you for that. And here we go. I happen to get I have two, I don't even know what's here, so this is kind of exciting. I have two Sephora favorites bags, and I will probably, this one is the Gleamy Dreamy, it has a lot of kind of glow or facial products, so I'm going to share this one separately, but this is what it is. It's a $52 palette. I think it has 2 or 3 full size in here. So it was one, I do have a lot of these items, but they're things I like and don't mind having more. Plus there was a couple things in there that I wanted to try. So that's going to be a separate video. I'll probably do it after I film this one. And so the next thing I have here is the Color Fix from danessamyricksbeauty. Okay, I do want to tell you a little bit more about this Danessamyrics, the color stick. It is a multi-use pearl pigment stick for eye, cheek, and lip. Okay, so it can be used kind of multi-use. That's Danessamyrics does that a lot. She uses multi-use with a lot with her eyeshadows and stuff. So this also has on here, it has foils, a foil and a metallic is what they use, and the color that I got was number 1, color duo number 1. It's Mystic Taupe and Interstellar. So the taupe is the brown color and the interstellar is the pink glow color. But anyway, so I just want to let you know more about that. It is $38, very pricey. Danessamyrics can be pricey, but I'm really excited about this product. So, and it has staying power for, anyway, my friend Julie from Wago Warrior, she opened this up in a box recently and it caught my eye and I just had to try it. It's a double eyeshadow stick, and it was so hard for me to pick which color because there were several that looked exciting, but it's a pricey product. So I think it runs like $38. Now I did get a discount for my VIP. I had some cash I could get a discount on, but anyway, so this, I went ahead and splurged on it. So it's a double-sided, and I was talking about about picking out the color, and this one, when I read the reviews, a lot of people said this was their favorite. Plus it had some kind of pink hues in one side and like kind of a neutral taupe color here. So here's one side, here's the neutral taupe color. I'm going to try that on my hand here. Okay, there it is. It's a cool toned brown. I really like it. So happy about that so far. And let's see how the other one blends with it. Now these feel wet to me. I don't know why. So probably, okay, but now I'm going like this. They have staying power. I mean, if you want to blend it, you better blend it quick, because once it's on, it's going to stay. So the other one is it's a little bit of an iridescent. Oh, so pretty. I don't know if I'm not catching it on. There we go. Some of how pretty that is. So anyway, I'm excited about the colors I got here. They are definitely me. So this is a heavy duty product. This is great too. Be great for travel. Just throw it in and you've pretty much got an eyeshadow look if you want. Now, anyway, Okay, so actually they do pull out. They separate. So if you want to separate them, you can. I kind of like them together, you know, but I think it's magnetized in there, so you can pull them out separate. So that's kind of cool. I'm looking at this from this angle, and I wish you could see what I'm seeing, but these colors are beautiful. Okay, so I'm really excited to use this. So I'm gonna have to anyway do a video and use this. So there's that. The next thing I have here, I got another Fenty Beauty. This was on sale. You guys, I can't stop with the Fenty Beauty. I love her gloss bombs, and this is ice. This is a berry kind of one. It was half price, so I went ahead and picked that up because I just love these. I keep these in my purse and just love them. So it does smell berry, but the thing I like about these is they're cool. So when you put them on your lips, you feel like a cool sensation. It's really cool, it's really cool. But no, anyway, so that's kind of fun. So that's my half price still. And then this little thing right here, I have no idea what this is. This is Tom Ford. Let's see. Tom Ford Fabulous. It's a perfume. So this was one of the samples I got. I'm kind of excited about this. It looks like it's a decent sized perfume. Well, it's just a sample, but I haven't ever smelled this. So there's that. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and squirt it here on my hand. I'm not afraid to get too much here. Okay. Of course, it's beautiful. It's real different. I smell kind of a floral, but then there's kind of a woodsy to it, almost a smoky smell. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to read what's this thing, so if it tells me the scents that are in it. It doesn't say. I should have looked that up. Anyway, it's fabulous. It's called Fabulous. It's Fabulous Tom Ford. So it's always fun to have a little sample like this you can put in your purse or whatever, but it's very rich smelling, kind of a nighttime. Anyway, let's go to the lounge, whatever. And so the next thing I have, well, I'm going to do that last. They also gave me a flower bomb, which is my favorite. It's just the regular flower bomb, a little perfume sample. I think I had something else on there, but I'm not going to complain. I always like perfume samples. So there's that. Right. So the next thing I have in here was something I picked with my points, and this is a Divines. It's a Eau Soufflé. It's a hair product, and I love this brand. I love their hair products. It's a silkening bodyfying foam mousse. I didn't know it was a mousse, but that's okay. It's actually a really decent size, so I'm really happy about this. I love this brand. It smells so good, and I have like 3 or 4 other products from this brand that are usually finishing type products. So I'm excited about that. For 100 points, that was a really good deal. So there's that. And then the last thing I have, I guess my big things were the two, was the favorites and the danessamyricksbeauty, and then I got the glow. And then anyway, the last thing I have here is another Sephora favorites. This is Summertime Hair Essentials, and I'm going to go ahead and go over this right now real quick. I got this because I think it was like $28, but I love all the products, and they're also good for travel. So I mean, I would have paid way more than that to buy a couple of these that I really like. So I thought it was a good deal for me. I'm a hair girl. I do have a lot of back stock of hair products. I'm hoping they last me, because it's like I definitely have a year or a lifetime supply, who knows. But anyway, I do pull out of my cabinet. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open this Sephora Favorites Summertime Hair Essentials Kit. I did buy this because it's $28. It had a $76 value, but they're all products I do love and would like to have, and some of these I would pay for and probably pay more than what I paid for the whole kit. So anyway, I'm excited to try a few of these, and I know I love a few of these. So let's get to it and see what's in here. So this set contains, this is the Amika. This is a 1 ounce The Wizard Detangling Primer. I'm excited about this. Amika is one of my favorite, if not my favorite, hair brand. I love it. I love the smell. I love that they have good travel sizes, so I can take it when I travel. I just love everything about Amika. So I was excited about that one. And then the next thing we have in here is Color Wow Money Mist Leave-In Conditioner. What's this? Okay, so this is a leave-in conditioner. I believe it probably will help detangle and whatnot. Also, it's almost 2 ounces here, so it's a pretty decent size. So I'm excited to try that. Anyway, like that product. And the next thing we have here is we have a MJ Angel Stick Hair Smoothing Styling Stick. So let's see where that styling stick is. Probably this little thing here. Is this it? Nope, that's not it. It must be this one. MJ. These are hard to read. Yeah. So, whoops. So it's, I don't know. I'm feeling it here. It probably helps pull back. It says styling stick, but I think it will help pull back your little frizzies or whatever that are up here. Ponytail, help with ponytails. Anyway, help hold your hair down. I'm not sure. I don't know. I'll have to look more into it. It doesn't really have that information about it right here, but it feels good. It feels good on the, I mean, it doesn't feel bad or anything. So anyway, there's that. And then we have, it's called Smoothing Styling Stick. That's what I said. So I guess it helps smooth. And then we have juice from Jisoo. Honey infused hair perfume. Oh, I'm kind of excited about this. It's a little one, but it's one I could take when I travel. So this is just the hair perfume. I don't know if I have this. I got one. I don't know if it's this brand. I don't think it was this brand, but I'm into smelling, and I was spraying that the wrong direction. Okay, smells very good, very pretty. Okay, so there's that. And then we've got from K18 Molecule, it's a repair hair oil. And I'm kind of excited to try this. I do have some hair oils, but this one, I don't know. It's interesting to me. So there's what it looks like. Anyway, so I'm definitely going to try that. And then I have in here, oh, what is it? Oh, it's Moroccan oil. The Moroccan oil frizz control spray. So I don't get frizzies that much, but even if you don't, these are good because it will just help smooth your hair and make it feel more silky or whatever. So there's that, and that is like a 1 ounce. Actually, it's a 1.6 ounce. And then we have a 1 ounce from Huawei, I think that's how they pronounce it. St. Bart's Cleansing Scalp and Body Sugar Scrub. So I like like that. Okay. Oh, it smells like coconut or something, like a tropical drink. It smells just like a tropical drink. Okay. I love that. Okay, so I'm excited about that too. That's a good travel size too, and I like that. So anyway, we got that. We got the frizz spray from Moroccan Oil, which I'm kind of excited about. Well, I'm excited about all these. The Jisoo hair perfume. This is the, what was this brand? I haven't heard of it. It's MEJ is the brand, and it's Angel Stick Hair Smoothing Styling Stick. So there's that. Anyway, all of these are things I'll use. The K18 hair oil, the Money, let's see, the Color Wow Money Mist Leave-In Conditioner. Love that. And then of course the Amika. So love that. So anyway, so that was fun. I'm going to share this, do a separate video for this one coming up, this other Sephora favorites. Loving the Fenty gloss, what got for half price. The Danessamyricksbeauty is super exciting. There we go. I love it. And it's like stays. I'm really excited to try a look with this. So anyway, that's really cool. So love that. And I got the other Hair Divines mousse, whatever. This is mousse souffle or whatever. So I'm excited about that. Love that brand. So my hair, I think I'm pretty good for hair for a while, right? Anyway, so that's it. That's my Sephora haul. Let me know what you think. Have you tried any of these items? Are there any that look exciting to you to try? Let me know in the comments. I appreciate your support so much, and thank you for being here. So I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.